Right now, I will show you how to rename your Google Ads account using the dashboard. Log into your Google Ad account. So click Overview, so you'll be in the main board. Then click Tools on the top right side. Click Preferences. Then scroll down and click Account Name over here. So by the default, your account name will be just Google Ads gave you. If you want to just name your business name, just type your business name. I will create like demo account and click Save. Reload the page, and right now you will be as demo account, as you see on the top right side. It's named demo account. So next time when someone will get the access to your account, you already will have the name out there. If you need help with the setup and management of your sales funnel, Google AdWords, Facebook ads, retargeting, landing page, conversion tracking, and Facebook pixel with Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager, please click link below, consulting.discovermybusiness.co, and I see you in a free strategy session. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.